Hi everyone, welcome to Aura Dance. Strengthening the core is one of the biggest preventions for body injury. Today's workout will be a fun one using the Pilates ball. If you don't have one, you can use a cushion as a substitute. Let's get started. Sit-up poses. Place the ball behind your sacrum as a support. Engage your core without rounding the back. Release two arms out straight. We will be pausing here for 50 seconds. Keep your shoulders down and chest lifted. Focus on pulsing up and down using your core energy. If the extended arms are bothering you, you can bring the palms together to gather more energy at the core. Next, single leg poses. Extend one leg out as you lean back and bend the knee as you crunch up. Make sure you're using your core to bring your body up and not the thigh. Inhale to lean back and extend the leg out. Exhale to crunch up and bend the knee. Let's switch to the other side. Again, keep your shoulders down and beware not to round your back. If anytime you feel any tightness on your hips, you should switch the focus on your core to make the action less active from the leg. Small circles. Put your palms together, gather energy at the core, then start circling the upper body around. Make sure your circle hits all points of directions. Keep breathing and avoid holding tight to your breaths. Now let's reverse. Beware not to sink into your chest when you lean to the back of your circle. Keep your core tight to hold on to a strong upper body. Also, keep the knees parallel pointing up to the ceiling and don't let them open up to the side. Next, take the ball and put it under the feet. Keeping the heels on the floor and knees together, we will send the hips up for bridging. This could be challenging to stabilize your bridge because of the bouncy ball you're stepping on, but this is exactly where your core comes into use. Keep breathing and push through the last few repetitions. Leg raises. Put the ball underneath your tailbone. Stabilize the ball with your hands while bringing the straight legs up. Inhale, lower the legs down. Exhale, raises the legs up. Try to find your body stability by engaging the core. Your legs should feel light as you lower down if you engage enough of your core. Push through the last few repetitions. You can do it. Now take the ball out and place it between the knees. Lower the legs down with the slightly bent knees. Watch out for arched back when you lower the legs down. You should keep the lower back stable and pressing on the floor while you move the legs. Let's flip to the other side. Squeeze the ball behind the knee with the calves. Bring the knee to the chest, then bring the knee to the back. Maintain the balance with your strong core, and don't let the moving leg pull you front and back. Thigh rotate. Keep the ball squeezed behind your knee, then rotate thigh open and close like the clamshell. Other than the core, you should also feel your glutes, which is the outer seat muscle working to initiate the rotation. This exercise is especially good for those who has tight hips from sitting long hours, as a gentle movement helps increase hip mobility. Let's repeat the same set on the other side. Remember to use breathing to help you through the exercise. Inhale, knee in. Exhale, knee to the back. Now onto thigh rotate. Keep the movement controlled and subtle, and focus on working those muscles that you usually don't get to use. Keep it up, we're close to the end of the workout. Last, let's take some time to cool down. Get yourself sit with the legs crossed. Rest your hands on the knees. Exhale, roll back to the tailbone. Round the back and look into the belly button. Inhale, root the seat bone down and roll up, lengthening the spine. We will repeat a few cycles here to relax the muscles using your breaths. You can imagine yourself running along the spine like the ocean waves. Next, bring the arm over and reach through the fingertips. Bend the elbow on the floor and give a nice stretch to the side of the body. Reaching side to side and make sure both of your sit bones stay on the floor. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Aura Dance channel. Remember to like, comment, and share the video. I'll see you in the next one.